Hey y'all. Today I'm gonna make something that I absolutely hate buying in the store, and that is a baking mix like Bisquick. It's quite expensive, but I'm gonna show you how to make it at home for just pennies, really. So the things we're gonna need flour, baking powder, salt, butter flavored Crisco, or you can use the regular Crisco or even lard or butter, but I prefer using the butter flavored Crisco. And you need sugar. So let's get this started. The first thing we're going to need is 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got that down here in my bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I tell you what, guys, you're not going to want to buy that stuff in the store when you see how easy it is to make. Now the next thing we're going to add is a 1/2 cup of baking powder. We are going to mix this up just a little bit. Just a little. Be careful you don't hit your blades down there. There we go. Next thing we need is 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Put that in there. Mix that around just a little. Okay, y'all. Next thing we're going to add is a 1/2 cup of the butter flavored Crisco. Okay, y'all. Now we're going to put the lid on that, and we are going to mix it up. These things are so noisy. Mix this up until all of that is incorporated, and it will look like that. You don't want any of the lumps of Crisco left in there. But there is your baking mix. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the lid back on here, and I'm going to let this run about a full minute because I want to make sure everything is mixed well. When that's done, I will be back. Okay, y'all, I've got that mixed. Next thing I'm going to do is dump it in a bowl. And there's always some at the bottom that doesn't mix. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix that by hand. Get all that off of there. Now tomorrow, I am going to make cinnamon rolls using this instead of a yeast recipe. And you are just going to be amazed at how nice these turn out. Now what we're going to do, we're going to mix what was left into this powder. Now y'all, if you use butter to do this, put it in a container with a lid and store it in your refrigerator. If you make it with Crisco or lard, you can just put a lid on it in a container and put it on your shelf, and it'll be good for 6 weeks. I tell you, I will never pay those expensive prices for baking mixes again. Not when I can do this. So easy. All right, y'all. That is that. If you want to bring that in, and I'll give them a close-up of how this looks. Now see? Now if you open a can of, or a box of Bisquick or baking mix, it'll look just like that. All right, y'all. That's going to do it for this one. Join us tomorrow or day after tomorrow when I make the cinnamon rolls using this baking mix. If you're not subscribed to Pennington's Garden Life, come on over and subscribe. We're good people. Have a blessed day.